Hello everybody, I hope everybody's well after this weekend. Okay, here we got an interesting little project. So as you can see, what happened is when the cube hit this side, the red light goes on. When it hit the other side, the green light goes on. It's actually activated by you can activate an LED using a graphic or a geometric figure or anything like that, or even moving slower, faster. I just found it very interesting. I don't know if you're gonna like this, but it's very good. Okay, here's the code. What you can do as well on these is that I filled it in, the little cube, but if you want it empty, here is the displayed. fill in the cube, okay, as it is now. Otherwise you can unquote this one and quote this one, and when you run it, you will have the cube will be clear. Let us see now. All right, now the cube is clear. So I think it's just fun to have something like this, activated by a moving graph. And I use a Vimo or a ESP8266 D1 Mini Pro. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. The code will be on the site, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.